Imagine waking up to find your go-to coffee haven suddenly shuttered. That's the stark reality facing Starbucks customers as the iconic chain announces major changes. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this bold restructuring a smart pivot or a risky gamble that could alienate loyal fans? Let's dive into the details of this $1 billion overhaul under new CEO Brian Niccol and explore what it really means for the coffee giant's future. On September 25, 2025, at 11:11 a.m. UTC, with an update at 11:24 a.m. UTC, Starbucks Corp revealed plans to shut down some of its stores and lay off 900 employees as part of a massive $1 billion restructuring initiative. This move is designed to kickstart a turnaround strategy, aiming to streamline operations and boost efficiency in a competitive market. For beginners wondering what restructuring entails, think of it like giving a cluttered house a thorough makeover. The company is trimming excess to focus on what works best, much like how a business might close underperforming branches to invest more in high-traffic areas. Specifically, Starbucks expects its total store count to decrease by 1% during the 2025 fiscal year, leaving it with approximately 18,300 locations across the United States and Canada. This slight reduction might seem minor, but in a network as vast as Starbucks, it represents a strategic pruning to eliminate redundancies. And this is the part most people miss. After this initial contraction, the plan is to ramp up growth again, expanding the number of stores it operates, and giving another 1,000 locations a fresh refurbishment. Picture this as renovating your favorite cafe with modern seating, faster Wi-Fi, and eco-friendly features to draw in more customers. It's all about evolving to meet changing tastes and demands. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: job cuts. Eliminating 900 positions in a company of Starbucks' size is bound to spark debate. On one hand, supporters might argue it's a necessary step for long-term stability, preventing bigger layoffs down the line by making the business more agile. But here's the controversial twist. Critics could see it as prioritizing profits over people, especially in an era where corporate giants are under scrutiny for worker treatment. Is this a fair trade-off, or does it highlight a deeper issue with how big businesses balance growth and humanity? And what about the store closures? For communities that rely on these spots for daily routines, it could feel like a personal loss, yet it might pave the way for better, more sustainable outlets. As we wrap this up, it's worth pondering. Do you believe Starbucks restructuring will ultimately strengthen the brand, or is it a short-sighted cut that could backfire? What are your thoughts on balancing business needs with employee and customer impacts? Share your opinions in the comments. Let's discuss.